By simply connecting your Twitter profile to your Instagram account, you can automatically post directly across both these platforms, which will ultimately save time long term every time that you want to publish content on social media. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now in this brief tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting Instagram to Twitter to essentially streamline the publishing process between these two channels. Okay, so before we launch into this brief tutorial, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, or if you're new to this channel. And with that happy note out the way, let's go ahead and connect Instagram to Twitter. Okay, so to connect Instagram with Twitter so that we can automatically publish posts on Twitter when we create a post on Instagram, we first need to locate our Instagram app on our phone. Simply click on your Instagram app, then simply choose the Instagram account that you want to connect with your Twitter profile. It doesn't matter if you're using a normal Instagram profile or a business or creator account. The process is the same. Then simply navigate up to create a new post, then come down and select post, then go ahead and create a post. Now we're not actually going to publish this post, we just need to get to the end of the process of creating a post so that we can connect our Twitter account. So I'm going to go ahead and select next, then next again, then navigate down the page, and first you can see that we have the option to post this post on other Instagram accounts that we're connected to. Then we can also come down and share this post on Facebook, and below this we have the option to share this post on Twitter. So first what we need to do is actually connect our Twitter account to our Instagram account. To do that, what we're going to do is click turn on next to Twitter, then simply go ahead and add your username and password. Then all you need to do is click Authorize App. And as you can see, we've connected our Twitter account. Now if I create a post on Instagram and then publish that post, as long as this is turned on next to Twitter, then this post will also be published on our Twitter account. And as you can see, it's very straightforward to connect our Instagram account with our Twitter profile. And there we have it guys for this brief tutorial. Now if you have any questions about connecting Twitter to Instagram, make sure to pop those down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care guys.